butterscotch, lobster.
Yeah. It's like birds. Yo, by the shoreline where the breeze is calm. Morning breaks after the night is gone. With my rod and dreams held in my hand. Back to the waves where I always stand. Every cast is a hope I throw. Mystery swim in the depths below.
In a world of surfishing journal, stories of the sea I write and show. Every pool brings a spark of joy. Every catch feels like older boy. In a world of surfishing journal, life of a fisherman, heart and soul.
Waves keep time with the beat of my chest. Every moment I'm put to the test. Sun or rain, I will stay true to the ocean life I always knew. Even when the waters seem so still, at the end of the line, there's a thrill.